The library catalog lets you save items you find while searching, sort of like adding bookmarks in your web browser when surfing the internet. You can also export saved item records for use in citation management software like Zotero, which can be incredibly useful if you rely on these tools for your research. Start by visiting the library's website, library.okstate.edu. Then click the library catalog link in the top right corner. Navigate to the Saved option in the dashboard menu on the left side of the screen. This will show you all the item records you have saved to your account. In this case, nothing is showing up even though I know I have lots of records saved. The reason I don't see anything is because I've not signed into my account. All I have to do is use the My EBSCO link in the top right corner of the screen and enter my OKey credentials. The screen refreshes and I now see all of my saved item records. If you sign in but still don't see anything, you might not have actually saved any item records to your account. We recommend doing that first before proceeding with an export, and we have a video that walks you through the steps to save item records to your account. Now that I see my saved item records, I have to select the ones I want to export for use in Zotero or other citation management software. I can click the checkbox next to the records I want to export, or use the box at the top to select everything shown on the screen. After I have some item records selected, a couple of new icons appear at the top of the list that offer a bit more functionality. This one, with an arrow pointing to the right, lets me export saved item records. This one, with an arrow pointing down, lets me download saved item records to a file on my computer in PDF, Word, CSV, and other formats. Exporting is the option you'll want to select when you plan to upload your citations to Zotero or other citation management software. You have several options to choose from depending on the citation management tool you prefer, but the RIS format is what we recommend for Zotero. Click that, and a few seconds later, a file will be downloaded to your computer that contains all the data Zotero needs to process your saved item records. All that's left to do is open Zotero, import the file, and your saved items will be available to you. These same steps work if you want to export item records in a project. The only difference when doing that is you first need to navigate to the project and then select the saved item records. If you need help, you can use the library chat, visit answers.library.okstate.edu, or email libraryhelp@okstate.edu.